love the cutout. I love the fit. Love the color. I knew that it would look great on her skin complexion. I'm happy about it.
Get it, Helen, girl.
Good job.
Get it, girl.
I wish the blue was a little bit lighter. I played with black and blue to create this pattern, and I think it looks really, really cool and chic.
She looks great. It drapes so nicely on her. I'm like, oh my gosh, your bust is not overwhelming. It looks so neat and cool. It has a sophistication and simplicity to it that's really nice. I love it.
Stay. I'm not sure about this crescent moon cutout.
I like the cutout because without the cutout, she would be like sort of going to lunch or going to work.
There's some great detail in the bodice that excites me, and I loved how good you felt in it walking down the runway.
You know, I think she looks beautiful. The only criticism I can give you is that it just doesn't look date night enough to me.
And as far as the outfit on her is concerned, I think a diagonal on anybody's body is extremely flattering. So that's good for a first date.
The sweater, I'm in love with it.
I'm underwhelmed by this, but with menswear, I love it when a man has interesting tie or pocket square.
I would have liked more colour or something a touch more showy. He looks like he's been married for 20 years with her, rather than the first date.
You know, I got lots of compliments on it yesterday, so I think
Good.
I like it.
Sam, you're next. This is Raquel. She likes things comfortable. She likes pale colors. But she also likes crop tops. So I wanted to make a flattering crop top for bigger bust and still keep it sophisticated and flirty for a date night. Michelle, Moss here, Arvin's here.
Yes.
Oh, do you want to kiss now? Oh my god, yes. Oh my goodness, this is good.
Jay, I'm a huge fan of Heather Gray. To mix it with lilac and the darker gray pant, absolutely brilliant.
I like the juxtaposition of the relaxed look over more design details of the jacket.
So many of the men had baggy pants, like these pants are easy and chic.
And Fabio, this is like a whole new male silhouette that I think is wearable and really hot.
You know, I got scrubs. I got hospital scrubs, but in a good way, because it's interesting. I want to know more about her designer.
Thank you.
This fit issues for me, and he doesn't seem really fully comfortable in the clothes.
I don't find it awkward or frictious or anything. No, I love this high neck. It's almost ecclesiastical and nautical. It's like gay priest on a yacht. It's really
Right.